fix Facebook Watch video icon tab missing. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Facebook app on your phone. Over here, tap on the three dots. After that, click on Settings. Then scroll and find the option called Navigation Bar. After that, click on the Customize option. Over here, you will see an option for video. In front of it, you will see Auto. Then click on it and change it to Pin. After that, the video option will move to the top and start showing on your home screen. If the icon still doesn't appear, then uninstall the Facebook app and reinstall it again from the Play Store. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.